Hi, today we are going to solve equations with like terms. So we have 5x plus 3 minus 2x equals 15. Draw our line, we'll bring down our problem. Okay, so the first step you're going to do is draw a wall at the equal sign. So here's our equal sign. We are going to draw a wall. Then we are going to identify like terms. So what are like terms? In case you forgot, they have the same variable raised to the same power. Okay, so 5x and negative 2x, those are going to be our like terms because they both have x to the first power. That means we can combine them. Okay, so once we identify our like terms, then we are going to combine like terms on the same side of the wall. So we can combine 5x and negative 2x. So 5x minus 2x is 3x. Then we're just going to bring everything else down. So we have a plus 3 equals 15. And so next we are just going to solve for x. Using our inverse operations. We won't write out all the steps because you've been doing this for a while now. So 3x plus 3 equals 15. So using our inverse operations, first we need to undo plus 3. So we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. The 3's cancel out, leaving us with 3x on this side equals 15 minus 3, which is 12 on this side. Then 3 is being multiplied by x, so we undo multiplication with division. And the 3's cancel out, leaving us with x equals 12 divided by 3, which is 4. And then lastly, we want to check our answer to make sure we didn't make any mistakes. So we have 5x plus 3 minus 2x equals 15. We're going to take x equals 4, and this time we have to substitute it in for 2 different x's in our equation. So we have 5 times x, but we know what x is, or at least we think we know what x is, plus 3 minus 2. So everything stays the same, except instead of writing x, we're going to replace that with 4. Now we just simplify left to right. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3, bring that down, minus 2 times 4, which is a negative 8, equals 15. We get 20 plus 3, which is 23, minus 8. 23 minus 8 is 15, which is equal to 15. So we checked our work and we solved correctly. So we can move on to our assignment in our workbook, solving equations with like terms. So we have a plus 6 minus 9 equals negative 4. So keep your notes out and make sure to go step by step. So first we are going to draw a wall at the equal sign. Then we are going to identify like terms. So I don't see any other A's, so the A's are not like terms, but we have a positive 6 and a negative 9. Those are like terms. We can combine those. Then step 3 says to combine like terms on the same side of the wall. So we can combine these. Positive 6 minus 9 is negative 3. So remember, you can only combine them if they're on the same side of your wall. And in this case, they are. So we get negative 3, and then we bring down a, and we bring down negative 4. Once we do that, it's just solving a two-step equation. So we add 3 to undo that negative 3. And actually, it's a one-step this time because we're left with a equals negative 4 plus 3, which is negative 1. And then, of course, we still want to check our answer. So we have a plus 6 minus 9 should equal negative 4. We take this and substitute it in for a. So we have negative 1 plus 6 minus 9. Does that equal negative 4? Negative 1 plus 6 is 5, and 5 minus 9 is negative 4, which equals negative 4. So we solved correctly. Go ahead and complete your assignment. Make sure to check your answers.